Do this and people will respect you immediately. Command respect. Stoic philosophy. Respect is one of the most valuable qualities a person can earn in life. It is not something that can be demanded or coerced. Rather, it must be cultivated through our actions, words, and character. Stoic philosophy, which has guided countless individuals, from ancient leaders like Marcus Aurelius to modern thinkers, offers timeless wisdom on how to command respect from others by first mastering yourself. This article explores how Stoic principles can help you develop the virtues, habits, and mindset required to command respect effortlessly and immediately in both your personal and professional life. 1. The foundation of respect in Stoic philosophy. Stoicism teaches that respect is built upon the foundation of virtue, the ultimate goal of life for the Stoics. Respect flows naturally when you embody virtues such as wisdom, courage, self-discipline, and justice. Unlike superficial traits or temporary achievements, these virtues cultivate a deep and lasting sense of admiration and trust from others. Core Stoic principles for earning respect. Control what you can. Focus on your actions, thoughts, and character rather than external factors. People respect those who maintain composure and self-mastery in the face of challenges. Lead by example. Stoics emphasize the importance of aligning your actions with your words. To command respect, consistently demonstrate integrity and authenticity. Practice equanimity, stay calm and balanced in the face of praise or criticism. A person who remains unshaken by external circumstances earns admiration for their inner strength. 2. Do this. Actions that command respect immediately. 1. Be consistent in your values and actions. Why it works. People respect individuals who are dependable and true to their values. When you consistently act in alignment with your principles, others will view you as trustworthy and reliable. Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Practical tip. Identify your core values and live by them daily, whether you're in public or private. Avoid hypocrisy as it erodes respect. 2. Speak less, listen more. Why it works. People admire those who are thoughtful and attentive listeners. Speaking less and listening more signals confidence, humility, and respect for others. Stoic insight. Epictetus advises, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. Practical tip. When in conversations, focus on understanding the other person's perspective rather than dominating the discussion. This will make others feel valued and respected, earning you respect in return. 3. Take responsibility for your actions, why it works. Owning up to your mistakes and taking accountability shows maturity, integrity, and courage, all traits that command respect. Stoic insight. Seneca wrote, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor." A Stoic recognizes their imperfections and works to improve. Practical tip. If you make a mistake, acknowledge it immediately, apologize sincerely, and take steps to rectify it. Avoid making excuses or shifting blame. 4. Master emotional control. Why it works. People respect those who remain calm and composed, especially in stressful or heated situations. Emotional control demonstrates inner strength and discipline. Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius teaches, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Practical tip. When faced with anger, frustration, or criticism, take a moment to pause and reflect before reacting. Practice mindfulness techniques to maintain emotional balance. 5. Be generous with praise, but genuine why it works. Offering authentic compliments or acknowledging others' achievements builds goodwill and respect. However, insincere flattery can have the opposite effect. Stoic insight. Seneca reminds us, wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. Practical tip. Recognize and praise others' contributions genuinely. Highlight specific qualities or efforts and avoid exaggeration. 6. Stand up for what is right. Why it works. People respect those who show courage and integrity by defending what is just, even when it is difficult or unpopular. Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." Practical tip. Be a voice of fairness and justice in your community or workplace. Stand up for yourself and others when you witness wrongdoing. 7. Be humble but confident. Why it works. Confidence without arrogance inspires admiration. Humility, on the other hand, makes you approachable and relatable. Stoic insight. Epictetus warns against arrogance, stating it is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows. Practical tip. Carry yourself with quiet confidence. Acknowledge your strengths, but remain open to learning from others. 8. Focus on actions, not approval. Why it works. People respect individuals who focus on doing what's right, rather than seeking validation or approval. Stoic insight. Marcus Aurelius advises, do not waste the remainder of your life in thoughts about others unless you can relate them to some common good. Practical tip. Let go of the need to please everyone. Instead, focus on fulfilling your responsibilities and staying true to your principles. 9. Be present and mindful. Why it works. Showing genuine interest and being fully present in interactions makes others feel valued and respected, which naturally earns their respect in return. Stoic insight. The Stoics emphasize living in the moment. Marcus Aurelius wrote, confine yourself to the present. Practical tip. Avoid distractions like checking your phone during conversations. Give your full attention to the people around you. 3. Why Stoic philosophy commands respect. Stoicism emphasizes cultivating inner virtues rather than seeking external validation. When you embody Stoic principles, you naturally radiate qualities like wisdom, composure, and fairness, which earn respect effortlessly. Stoicism teaches that respect begins with self-respect. By mastering your own thoughts, emotions, and actions, you inspire others to admire and respect you. 4th conclusion. The Stoic path to earning respect. Earning respect is not about commanding authority or demanding admiration. It is about consistently demonstrating virtues like integrity, humility, courage, and wisdom. By applying Stoic principles, you can immediately command respect in any situation, whether at work, home, or in social interactions. Remember, respect is earned through your actions and character, not your words or status. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, do every act of your life as though it were your last. Approach life with integrity, self-control, and mindfulness, and respect will naturally follow.